What's up, y'all? It's Quay Styles. Welcome back to my channel. Please thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to at least post at least 3 times a month, and every single time that I post, I'm gonna bring y'all some fire shit. At least try to, because I do not know these vendors personally. I am not sponsored by anyone. I spend my own money on these things, so never no clickbait. Every time I find something that is nice, I will give y'all the link. I always share. Okay, so this video is about an offer. I went on my offer and I found me a Fendi dress for $41. I ordered it November 29th and it is December 15th. So it took a little over 2 weeks. Let's see, 2 weeks, business days. So I guess that's not too bad, right? And this is kind of heavy. This is a large dress. And it feels pretty heavy. It's supposed to be a sweater dress. I will insert the picture. Maybe I'll use it for the thumbnail. And you can kind of get a feel for, you know, what it's supposed to look like. So I am opening it now. I'm so nervous, y'all. I want to make sure I don't cut anything. Ooh, I'm scared. With the package, they take this up good, y'all. So yeah, I ordered it November 29th and I got it December 15th. It was $41. Looking good. Yes, y'all. I expected the F's to be, I think, a little bit bigger. I think the real one, the F's are a little bit bigger, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna go try it on. Oh, this is thick, y'all. The sleeves got like the different mismatched sleeves. That's dope. So let's see, it's pretty thick. Yeah, it's pretty good, y'all.
This shit right here for my oodles and noodles babies.
Don't have any tags on it.
So he can't even help that he crazy.
I am going to go try it on. Be right back.
Ain't nobody to give me no hope. All my mama ain't doing no coke. I used to wish that my daddy was living. I had a dream that I see them with ghosts. I used to end up when I was in school. Thought it was cool, but I really was hurt. One of my family that came in my games. My mama couldn't make it because she was at work. Remember my girl, she took me to church. Really though, I ain't want to go. Remember I kissed my aunt in a casket and her forehead was cold. I was like 4 years old. We couldn't afford no clothes.
Oh, this felt good.
It was hand me down. Who would think a nigga get a Grammy now? Got a black judge trying to take me down. On the jail top, probably whip me down. Turn the lights off in the bathroom. Shoot the bloody man. Yeah, having nightmares about Candyman. With the tool on me like a handyman. Kill my little cousin, I like Damon Man. Had to see the footage on the cameraman. Wanna pray him with his brains out. With the
big old gut.
His legs out. Wanna ask you. Choice shit was like this when I came out. What the fuck is you really complaining about? I know niggas that's never gonna make it out. Just that shit you won't see in the media. Boogie pouring and rich getting greedier. A lot of daddies go back and forth out of jail. A lot of stuff going up and repeating them.
Yes! What y'all think? I like it.
I think it's funny how we used to go to school and play
What do y'all think? Comment below. Tell me what y'all think. You know, I'm a little bit cheap. I was hoping it would be a little less than $42, but or $41 and some change. But you know, Fendi is really high. This dress would have been, you know, over $1,000 probably. So, of course, I saved a lot of money. And it feels really good quality, y'all. They are a really great vendor. So if you would like the link to this vendor, I will be happy to share with you. Please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring y'all some dope shit. I ordered a pink Victoria's Secret 2-piece for $30. And that should be on its way within a week or so. So I'm going to upload that video. And I'm going to show you guys how that goes. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching, y'all. Until next time. Peace.